Hello friends, welcome to How to Tech Expert. My name is Mohammed Shahzad. Today we are going to discuss OnePlus Nord N20 in details. So let's have a look. IPS LED touch screen. Front glass, plastic back, plastic frame. 6.49 inches display. Resolution 1080 by 2400 pixels. Corning Gorilla Glass 4.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Operating system Android 11. Oxygen operating system 11. Snapdragon 768G 5G. 8 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage. Single punch hole selfie camera. Triple rear camera LED flash. 3.5mm audio jack. USB Type C 3.0. Fingerprint side mount. 35-watt fast charger. 4500 mAh battery.